when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why.
Good morning to you guys. You can stay right there.
It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time.
So,
Met you on
just
a
woke up.
Friday.
What's our morning here, y'all?
At the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think without eyes, her just perfect. Yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. And a friend of a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon.
Did it hurt?
Hope she really loves you, 'cause I swear you deserve everything.
So guys, so we were just driving randomly. Good thing we drove this way, but we drove off to find some service. But we drove randomly to a random road, and we just saw a bunch of horses. So what we're gonna do right now is buy some carrots and feed them. I love about this place that we could just walk around freely without a mask. We're comfortable. They gave us carrots to feed the horses. Really excited about that. I think this is the first time that I actually do this.
We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place or a spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again. Do it all over Tell me a lie, and I tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you.
Making some peanut butter sandwiches. I like the way she drizzles my honey, so can you please drizzle my honey, honey?
I want just like a honey.
Hey, damn the way she drizzled that honey. Woo. Well, you guys, she drizzled that honey right. We just hiked about
That's my
like 45 minutes?
About 45 minutes an hour, just because we're taking our sweet ass time.
Maybe a little bit more because we were taking sweet ass time. We were taking videos, pictures, but we finally made it to the top. Guys, it's amazing.
We're about to start heading back to Arizona, but I think we're gonna find a truck stop on the way just so we can shower and get cleaned up, and we can cook and eat dinner, and then keep heading to Arizona. We're tired, boss.
I'm not gonna lie, these rocks are comfortable though. We got a beautiful shade right now. The dogs are chilling. I'm just in heaven, yo. This is life, yo.
This is life. Look at this shit. Alright guys, so this is where we came to shower at Zion Outfitters. We pay a few bucks for it, but it was very nice and refreshing, and it was actually really clean, so I gave it that much. Right now, I'm making sandwiches before we make dinner.
Oh, hey!
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Say what's up, guys.
Yo te mira. Building up a little energy. We have a 2-hour drive to go to our next destination.